I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, just compete us.
Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew aside. All the niggas round me, right at it die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, DT. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Who am I? All the niggas round me.
Ooh la la la. 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 It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh la la la. It's the natural law that the refugees bring. Ooh la 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 la. So we was that enough, baby? Baby.
You know that's true.
Yeah.
I pretty much wait on you, pretty much wait on you.
Bless up.
Hey Jazzy Doll Gang, welcome to our first vlog of 2024. For those of you who are new, I'm Jasmine. It's 2024. Happy New Year. Happy New Year, dolls. I hope y'all year is already starting off well. Today is actually Wednesday, January the 3rd. So I let y'all spend the morning with me. I actually got up and got myself together to head to the shop, and I just had to do a few faces and then do some cleaning, some mopping, and now we are leaving the salon. I had to get my hair touched up a little bit because this is a quick weave, so we just sewed the cap down to make it a little bit tighter. Yeah, so now we are just about to head to Ulta. I have to pick up a few things for my makeup kit, and ever since I ever since I joined the, what's it called? Darn, what is it called? My mind just went blank. But the rewards program at Ulta, I reached the, I forgot which one it's called, but they send me coupons all the time. And when I tell you, they be so clutch, because makeup is so expensive. I always need and I always appreciate a discount when it comes to makeup products, because girl, they ain't shoot. But yeah, we are just about to head there, y'all. My 2024 so far has started out great. You know, not speaking too much, but you know, we're just slowly but surely making changes, making mindset changes, and I am just so excited for everything that this year has to bring. But yeah, we are gonna head to Ulta, and I'll see y'all once we make it there. It's 2024. We are not gonna be ashamed to vlog in public, because why? Everybody's minding their business in 2024, and I'm pretty sure nobody is studying. So let's go in Ulta. It's raining. Here, try this. They got this for $18. This is what Kyra be using. Here for today. So I really didn't want to get a copyright claim while I was in here, because they were playing music. But basically, I was just looking for the Fit Me Maybelline foundations. I actually ran out of a few shades, so I am just restocking on the ones that I ran out of. This foundation is really, really good, y'all. Even if you've been doing makeup for years, or if you're just a beginner, Maybelline Fit Me is a great foundation. It has really like medium to full coverage, and it blends well with other foundations. So, 5-1. Huh? Oh, hey, Jasmine. Nice to meet you. Oh, thank you so much. Let me write it down for you. Yes, definitely.
You get a free Maybelline gift card.
Oh, yes.
It's
Thank
like, I
you.
think it's like a makeup, a brush holder.
No, thank you, though. Okay, so it's official _ Jazzy. I mean, _ B. Okay. Oh no. Girl. You know it's time trying to go out and broke my light. Hey y'all, so I am back home, girl. My freaking phone and this light fell when we were in Ross and it broke. My phone didn't break, but my light is broken, like it's detached from the stand. So I just taped it back together. But we did find some stuff at Ross. I mean at Ulta. Okay, so what I was talking about earlier, I became a diamond member. And ever since I became a diamond member, I have just been getting coupons out the boutique. And I saved $17.01 today. So I got a few Fit Me's in a few different shades that I needed. And then I picked up some e.l.f. Camo Concealer. The 16-hour camo concealer in the shade Tan Walnut and Medium Golden. These were on sale for $3.50. So I just got them. And then I absolutely love this shade, this deep cinnamon. It mixes well with like different colors to get the perfect match. So I really like this one for like my darker tone girlies. I got a Urban Decay All-Nighter setting spray. I love the setting spray. And I'm going to be trying out this Morphe Brow Cream in the color Chocolate Mousse. So I have a client at 4, which is in a couple of minutes. I need to be going. It's 3:25 and I got to drive to the shop, but it's not far. So we're going to actually try this on her today. Well, depending on like what type of makeup look she wants and if she's going for more of a full or natural brow, it just depends. But if I use this on her, I'll let y'all know how I like it. And that's all I got. Oh, and I guess for my purchase today, they said I got this for free. It's a Maybelline makeup brush holder. So I thought that was cute, you know. They doing a little something for you, girl. Got me a little free something. And then I went to Ross and I picked up some spoons, some dinner spoons, the big ones. And then I picked up some hand towels for my kitchen. So we actually gonna go ahead and put these in the kitchen. Oh, and I gotta show y'all an update. Another update. I have taken down my tree and stuff. I'm gonna insert the clips from me, like what I did in that area when I took down my tree. And I gotta show y'all this. These here. All right, so I have a home update that I want to show you guys that I thought was so cute, and it just elevates my kitchen space. And yeah, I just thought it was cute, so I'm gonna show y'all. How stinking cute are the lights? So we got our coffee station here. Turn this up a little bit. And then I have one over here. And it's just so, I just think it's the cutest thing freaking ever. So nice, so nice. That's my cute little new update, and I got the little remote, y'all. $9.99 at Home Goods, period. So I just want to show y'all that I am about to head back to the shop, finish this last space, and then come home and get ready to wind down. So see y'all in a little bit. Hey y'all, so it's a little time later. Girl, I'm tired. Y'all just excuse the disrespect. Anyway, All right, y'all, so it's a little time later. I have taken a shower. Oh, I need to put the darn braid in the I'm back. So it's a little time later. I have already taken a shower. I've done my skincare, and I'm just about to I'm about to clean these spoons and then put them out. The ones that I bought from Ross today. You done? Look nice, baby. Thank you. Okay, so I'm just about to clean these and put them in my thing here. So that is gonna be it for today. I will see y'all tomorrow. Good night.
Fourth quarter. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but I just want the fetty. And I'm bagging his partner, I'm petty. Call me that B while he eating my honey. You know niggas love bitches with money. I get a lot. Taking a spot. If you ain't cooking, then get off the pot. My name Ice, but I always stay hot. Passenger princess, he passed me his knock. Baddest little bitch from my block. Me and baddies be getting along, so they always be singing my song. Stepping outside, I'ma put that shit on. 300 and then I perform. You know I'ma get to the bag. Or the hating bitches to the back. Too much to lose, so I cannot react. Damn bitches be going outside. She a baddie, she showing her panties. She shake it like jelly. 100 bands of Chanel, but I'm still shaking ass in the deli. With my bitch getting dirty. He like him already. He want the wop, but
Shimmer in my skin, it's all about the stain on my shirt. New bitch on my nerves. Oh, nigga got quiet, going back on my word. Image is thirsty, still don't know my words. Still stressing perfection, let you all in my mental. Got me looking too desperate, damn, you ain't deserve.
So it is a little time later. I am just running errands. The curls turned out beautiful and effortless looking, just exactly how I had hoped. Yeah, so that's all I'm doing. I was just checking in. Cousin and I actually visited a brewery down in Campbellton, Florida. We had fresh oysters, Moscato sweet wine. We really enjoyed our night.
I miss my cocoa butter kisses. Hope you smile when you listen. Ain't no competition, it's complete.